Hi everyone and welcome to the engine.
Back in the early 90s I had an Amiga 500 which I used to do graphics on. I've still got some of the discs, although sadly not the Amiga itself. That was sold for a shiny new PlayStation. Recently an old VHS tape with a portfolio of some graphics I'd done was found in my parents' attic, covered in dust, just busting to be played. Amazingly it still worked. My dad digitised it and this is the result. Obviously the quality isn't too good being from an analog format, but it tugs at my reminiscing strings all the same. This is the intro done on the camcorder rather than the actual Amiga. I'll speed it up now as it's a bit repetitive. As the camcorder was used, you can actually see the curvature of the CRT screen, as the camcorder was sitting in front of the screen about a foot away, and you can see our reflection if you look closely enough. Oh, incidentally, the music playing on the tape is Cream of the Earth by Romeo Knight, a senior musician who is still going strong today, as is the group Red Sector, whose demo this music was recorded from. Many an hour was spent drawing the images, as each pixel was pretty much put down one at a time. Some of the graphics were destined for scene demos, but unfortunately, or not as the case may be, we concentrated on the games, so the demos never appeared. So now you know. Oh, you lemmings, you do come back to haunt me. There are a few album covers included, all guitar music. This one, if I remember rightly, is Iron Maiden but unfinished. This is Guns N' Roses, Appetite for Destruction, my all-time favourite band and album. Aerosmith. This one is again unfinished, probably because I was working on the game graphics more than anything else. They took priority. Another mock-up of a demo, this time we're trying to get them the graphics to play with the music so it looked like they were playing instruments, but this never happened. The Tom Cruise film, which I actually liked, probably about the only person that did like it. It did have a blinding soundtrack though. David Eddings, King of the Mogos. I remember reading his first book, The Pawn of Prophecy, while listening to the SID music from Cybanoid by Jerome Tell on cassette. An absolutely brilliant tune, and David Eddings, of course, a great author. Yeah, memorable books. The next few graphics were for Mental Image Game Disc 2, which was published in issue 15 of Amiga Power, Rebound, a great breakout game, SAR 2, an original puzzler which I still play occasionally, and the disc intro loader, which had an animated book showing each game in turn, as well as the obligatory scroller message for all the people involved. One thing occurred to me while recording this is that it's kind of like a time capsule. It's hard to describe. It's what types of games, types of books, types of films and types of music I was into at the time. Well, I'm glad you could be part of the very self-indulgent trip down a reminiscing lane. It was for me anyway, very reminiscing. Hope you found it fun.
Well, thanks for watching. If you like it, like it. If you don't, then don't. See ya.